Here I have the TheraICE Hot and Cold Therapy Head Cap. This could actually be used hot or cold. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the package just to show you exactly what it looks like. It does come with a plastic little baggie like this. So this is you're actually able to put this in the freezer as a whole. So you want to go ahead and make sure it is sealed. Place it in the freezer for up to 2 hours. Once you reach the 2 hours, then go ahead and take it out. If it is the desired temperature that you want, simply place it on your head. If it is just too cold after you take it out of the freezer, simply allow it to sit, and once it's ready, then you could go ahead and place it on your head. This is what the cap looks like. Also, if you want to use it, take it out of the plastic wrap. If you want to go ahead and use it on a hot setting, place it in the microwave for 20 seconds, then take it out. If it is not the desired temperature that you're wanting, then you want to go ahead and go in increments of 10 seconds. Make sure once you take it out, it is not too hot, so you could go ahead and place it on your head. Again, let it rest. If it's too hot or too cold, let it rest until it's the desired temperature that you're wanting. Again, this is going to go over your head. It is a 360 style headband. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You want to go ahead and stretch it out. Make sure you do not overstretch it, but you do want to make sure you stretch it out when you want to put it on your head. This is obviously the front part. You want to make sure that it is covering, and this is going to be the little area where you're going to let your nose out through there. You could actually wear it over your eyes, or if you want to put it above. So I'm going to just show you again. This size fits most, but you want to go ahead and stretch it out and then place it. You could either wear it like this, or if you want to go ahead and wear it all the way down. I'm going to be showing you that. It does block out any sunlight, any light, so really allowing you, it feels very, very nice. It is not too tight, but it is going to give you that cooling effect. It's going to give you that temporary relief to any minor aches. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. You want to simply put it over your eyes like this. And then this is just going to allow you to just relax, rest your eyes. Again, it blocks out all the sun, any light, so really, really giving you a soothing effect. Again, you could use this sleeve hot or cold. Also, for washing instructions, you want to just go ahead and wipe it down with a damp towel. You never want to throw it in a washing machine, or you don't want to submerge in water. You simply just want to wipe it down with a damp towel. Overall, this is amazing. Definitely soothing. This is great for any minor aches. I would highly recommend. 10 out of 10.